Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blurry posts on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. It's frustrating when you take picture or record videos for posting on Instagram stories, but the content turns out to be blurry after publishing. Well, before suggesting a handful of solutions for fixing this issue, you must know what causes the Instagram stories or your post reels to blur in the first place. Here's our possible reason why your Instagram picture and video Instagram on Instagram are being blurred out. First is internet connection issues. So you have to make sure your internet connection is on a good condition when you want to upload stories, posts or reels on your Instagram. Often a slow internet connection is the culprit. Sometimes when you are traveling or attending an event in a remote area, the data service is not up to the mark, which causes the Instagram stories or posts to blur out. So you have to fix your internet connection by restart your phone, or you can just turn on the airplane mode. After that, you can just turn this off and you can check the internet connection. You have refresh your internet connection and you can try to upload your posts, reels or story to your Instagram. And second, compressing while uploading. Most social media apps compress pictures and video while uploading them for data saving purposes. It's possible that the same thing is to happen with your Instagram stories. So you can check to your settings on your Instagram. You can go to settings, to your profile, tap on the upper corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down and you can go to data usage and media quality. You can see the data saver. When your data saver is on, video won't load in advance to help you use less data, so you can just turn off this feature. Now after that, you can see here the media upload quality, and you have to make sure before you upload your stories, posts, videos or reels, this feature is on. So always upload the highest quality photos and videos. Even uploading takes longer and must be activate if you want to make your post is on the high quality. So that is, after that, maybe you can check your Instagram apps. If your Instagram apps needs update, you can update to on your App Store or Play Store. And here, after that, you can just try to upload stories, photos or videos or reels to your Instagram and check if it's still blurry or not. So that is how to fix blurry posts, videos, stories, and reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.